super long selfie sticks. Hello guys and welcome. I am BAUMANN. Today I want to share with you my experiences and my knowledge about super long selfie sticks. For a video sequence like this, an extra long selfie stick is an absolute mandatory tool. But what are the differences between the sticks and what is the not bending new generation? And are there even more differences between the sticks? In this tech review we'll take a closer look, especially on the new Telescene ones and the 270 Pro. In general, selfie sticks can be used with action cameras like a GoPro, with your phone and of course with 360 cameras. Before we start with the latest selfie sticks, let's take a look in history and the selfie sticks I used in the past. My first long selfie stick came together with my 1X camera. Not only that the stick was invisible with the 360 camera, the reachable height and distance was an incredible first experience. And so I decided I want even more height and more distance. So I ordered my first long selfie stick from Berg Company with a very affordable price of about $19. What an upgrade! Unfortunately, this stick has two big issues. The first one is the big head, which is always visible with the 360 camera, but it's okay with a GoPro, for example. The second issue was, if completely pulled out and even very strong tightened, one or two sections were collapsing by itself from time to time. So I invested more, about $60, and bought a new one. This time it was the selfie stick from Insta360, fully carbon, 3 meter long with a very small tip. In fact, this stick was a big improvement, but it had also a big issue. When you used the stick, it was really in movement, bending a lot. The behavior of the stick in terms of bending was like a fishing rod. So when you did some fast movement with the stick and stopped immediately, the stick itself didn't stop. It continued in the direction of the movement and went sometimes too far, as you can see in this video. At this time, there was no better solution available, but this changed nearly 1 year later. On the channel of a 360 VR specialized YouTuber, I could find the hint to the company 270 Pro. This company from Taiwan offers 3 different models for their selfie sticks, but I only was interested in their best and most expensive model, the BACKBACK S. Most of the time the BACKBACK S was sold out, but finally I could order one and receive the parcel. The stick is packaged in a very nice box where all the features of the sticks are printed on. With a high price of $220 arriving at my house door, including transportation and customs, I was expecting a lot. My first impression: very good quality. Head version is a fixed GoPro mount. So I did make some first tests immediately. So I did some smaller tests on land, but I was more interested to do something underwater to see the waterproofness. Everything worked perfect. Only a few days after receiving my 270 Pro stick, Telesin announced also their new generation not bending carbon fiber sticks in 2 sizes, 270 cm and 300 cm. Especially with the price tags of $40 and $45, I couldn't resist. The packing of the Telescenes were not so nice as the package from the 270, but I don't care because the price tag is much lower And in fact, it's the quality of the sticks which is the measurement. The tip is originally a 1/4-inch screw, but you get also a GoPro adapter to attach. Both sticks have, despite their total length, 9 sections. The single sections of the 3-meter one are just a little bit longer. Of course, testing these sticks only at home or on land is not enough for me. So again, I went for a dive session. The handling of the stick is also very nice. However, compared with the 270 Pro, the expanding and shortening process in water is a vestige difficult. A perfect example for the usage of the long selfie stick in water is this scene. It starts very close to the bottom, goes through the algae and then up to the diver. This shot couldn't be done with a standard handle. After this first overview, I want to go deeper in comparison between the Telescene and the 270 Pro. These new generation selfie sticks are very short in length when not extended, so the packing size is very nice. As mentioned already, the Telescene comes with a 1/4-inch screw which is perfect to go directly for 360 cameras. And the 270 Pro comes with a 3-finger GoPro mount which has advantage for direct installing of a GoPro camera. The bottom sections have an unscrewable base plate, good for rinsing after seawater usage and for the drying process. There's also a 1/4-inch street, so you can use these sticks very good as monopod. The main sections of the 270 Pro have a street to close and open, and the main section of the Telescene are held by friction with 2 rubber O-rings. The section itself from the 270 Pro has a smooth surface without being slippery, and the section of the Telescene feels a little bit rough. If we compare in terms of bending, you see here the old Insta360 3-meter stick with a lot of flexing, and here the new generation, only bending a little without after swinging and flexing. This is not easy to show, but in your own hands it is a remarkable difference. Here you see the sticks not extended, and on the right side the 3 new generation ones. Now it is the same picture, but all the sticks are fully extended. In the use of a monopod is on the right side the standard length of a normal selfie stick, and on the left side the 3-meter extended. Before we come to a final conclusion of this test and review, let's take a look at some nice recording samples which I could get throughout the tests. I personally like the 270 Pro BACKBACK S a little bit more. Not for the price, but for the more clean and superb build quality in general. Also holding and working with the stick feels some kind of more cozy because of this very smooth surface. Don't get me wrong, both products are very good. With their new small size in comparison or relation to their total length when extended, the nearly not bending, not flexing new material, and the real enhanced bases which make the use for a monopod perfect, they are really great. From now on, I will test them during all my dives and outdoor activities, and I will use them really hard. So you can expect in some months another video about the long-term testing of these sticks. If you like my videos, then I would be very happy if you subscribe to my channel and if you leave a like. Thanks for watching.